Stay tuned and find out.
Welcome back to my channel, Keybabies. I want to say I am so happy right now because I'm going to make a good meal. But before I do that, thank you for all of the new Keybabies and the returning ones. I want to say I appreciate y'all, and y'all always coming back showing love. Y'all know I like that. Today I am making homemade chicken nuggets with fries. So is this gonna taste better than McDonald's? Y'all want to see? I know I do. I'm so excited about it. So this video I kind of did a little bit different. Like, this is the ground chicken breast that I got. All right, I'm putting it in a bowl. I'm about to put the seasoning on there because I want to kind of speed up the video but still show y'all step by step so y'all can stay watching my videos. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm about to put in here. Okay, so I just have some flour right here. And I have, this is going to be the wet batter in this one. So I'm going to add some celery salt. I don't know why they had these already open for y'all, but I should have. Add a little bit of that. I would say a teaspoon of that. Some ground white pepper. This is for the chicken nuggets. This is what we're getting ready for. A teaspoon of that. And I'm going to add, you know, I got to add it again. This is going to be the wet ingredients. And then make sure y'all have this, okay? I know I'm fancy, right? We're going to add... I want to say a half a cup. It depends on how much batter you got, okay? So I'm just going to add it. And stir it up. Okay. Yeah. Because you want it to be just a little soupy. So that's what you want it. You don't want it thick like that. You want it soupy. So I'm going to add some more. You make sure you get all them clumps out of there. Stir it. Just keep stirring it till you get it all out. Alright. And this is my flour, just regular flour. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my meat. And form it up like a chicken nugget. The meat is sticky, of course. Y'all should know the like meat. So you're gonna get a little bit of that flour and just put a little bit on there, so it won't be so sticky when you're trying to move it around. When you're trying to make your shape of your chicken nugget. Okay, flour everywhere, y'all. Gotta clean up after this. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip it in the flour. Then I'm gonna put it in the. Ooh, yeah. Get them hands dirty. I'm going to turn that up because I want to make sure that the grease is hot. So when it touches that grease, It's a chicken nugget. And this is what I'm going to be doing. Just forming the chicken nugget. See what I'm doing? Just forming it. You don't have to. You can make it like a McDonald's chicken nugget, or if you got skills, or maybe you can make it to a face or something. I don't know. I don't got no skills like that. Maybe on donuts when it's come down to icing, I can do something with a piping bag. But if it ain't got no piping bag, baby, I can't do it. Right here, I'm just cutting up the potato, y'all. Just to make sure all the skin is off. Really not all the skin, but majority of the skin is off of there. I make it look real easy once I speed it up. So yeah, I was fancy. I went to Amazon and I bought me a potato slicer that slices up French fries. Because you thought that I was going to sit there and cut them up like that? This is so much easy. Look how it makes just like a fry. Come on now. I'm not just making this up. So I got me some water and I'm going to get some vinegar to rinse off the potatoes. You know what I'm saying? You want to get all that little nasty stuff off of there. So you're going to soak them a little bit in there. I'm going to drain this water out after I get done playing in it. Y'all see me playing in it? Now I'm about to drain it out for real. Now these, I let the fries, after I put them in that water, I put a paper towel on them or a towel to get them dry. Because we're going to add some cornstarch on there. This is to get them that crispy taste in the fries. Look at me. I'm just going to add it like that. You see that? There we go. That should be enough. And then we're going to mix it all up. Try to get the cornstarch on like all of them. And if you don't have that machine that I had when I, was cutting them up, you can cut them up with a knife. It's just like, ooh. When I did it with the knife, because I did cut a few up with the knife before I used the machine, they just came out a little smaller. That's all. You have to just cut the potatoes I had. You see, I just made it like smaller French fries. That's all. Uh-oh. I think I need some more cornstarch. Because I want to make sure all of them are coated and just mix it together like that. So far, this is how it looks. I put the fries already in the grease. This is the super-sized chicken nuggets. They look so good. I can't wait to try it. Y'all see me looking, right? This came out to be looking so good. I'm excited to try it. I haven't tried anything yet because I've been waiting on, seeing I can get my reaction. And y'all know who over here. Y'all see him. I'm going to go ahead and slide this way so you can come on. Come on right here. But y'all can kind of see him. Y'all kind of can't, but I tried. Y'all know it's Studi. Okay. Let me try a fry first. I never made fries using cornstarch. They're hot. I never. It has a crunch. Fries over 10. They are 10. You heard a crunch? Let me try these. Look at these big old nuggets. Why every time I cook something, it's jumbo size, y'all? I don't know. I got there real bad. Try a nugget. This is barbecue sauce. I was thinking about making my own like barbecue sauce, but I was like, no, maybe next time. Y'all ready? Countdown. That's good. Absolutely. I don't really go to a lot of food places like fast food restaurants anyway. But now since I know how to make homemade chicken nuggets, I won't be back. I think the last time I got nuggets is when I did my Wendy's. It was like a get ready with me. I went to Wendy's. That's the last time I had nuggets. So now since I know how to make them, I'm no more. These are good. And no bum 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 bum. No more of that. Because I ain't been to McDonald's in it's been years. I go for a parfaits, fries, or a shake. I'm about to dig in, y'all. This is what I got to drink before I get off with y'all. I got a raspberry blackberry water for my drink. I'm gonna need y'all to do what? Y'all know what I need y'all to do? Before you, let me get another fry. I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna finish. I need y'all to do a couple things though. 3, like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, okay? And I want to enjoy this, and I will see you guys later.